Hey neighbor, it's Ryan from Hippie Witch Heart. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today we are continuing with unboxing of hand-dyed indie yarns. I have 2 orders that came in yesterday. We're only going to unbox one of them. And I have an odd feeling that today is going to be the first case of what I ordered versus what I got. If you've never been to my channel before, welcome, hi, hello. We do a lot of yarn and witchy related content, and we decided that for Vlogmas 2023, we are going to do advent calendars and hand-dyed yarn every single day. If you've been here before, the brew crew is nothing new, and if you'd like to help support the channel, you can buy me a coffee. We'll use that to help fund all of these fun unboxings. Let's get into our flavor advent for today. This is the water drop advent calendar. For those of you that haven't been here before, we are on day 3. You can find the previous days here. Where's the 3? Why is it in the bottom corner? This one is called Flare. This one's called Flare. It's raspberry, elderflower, and lime blossom with other natural flavors. Sugar-free, low-calorie, vitamin C, biotin, and vitamin E. Let's see how it tastes. Open your little thingy. You just plop it right on in there. We're going to put the lid on and let this sit for a minute while it... Look at that. Look at that foamy goodness. While it does what it needs to do. While we're waiting for that, let's move on to the big advent calendar. Is that upside down? No. The big advent calendar. This one for day 3. See if I can figure out how to do the packaging today, because I've definitely struggled opening things for the past 2 videos. But I think I've got it down now. I understand the German packaging. Oh, it's different lids! Schweet. So I have a loop lid with a sip function of it instead of the bamboo lid that I have in here, which is kind of cool. Alright, thank you day 3. Thanks Water Drop. Freaking love advent calendars! As per usual, I paid for this, but if you would also like to get one of these and maybe have a discount, there's a reference code thingy that they gave me when I ordered. I don't really know what it does because I didn't use one, but you can find out. Clicky, enjoy, drink water. Yesterday I opened the Aquapony yarns. Watch for the bright neon colors, but they came with a soap for some reason, and one of the comments that I received, thanks Carrie, was, what does the soap smell like? I don't know, it's wrapped in plastic, but I'm going to open it right now and we're going to find out. Am I going to open it? I'm going to try and open it and find out. Scissors for the win. Holy crap! It smells like, nostalgia moment for everybody. Do you remember the lip smackers, the ones that were the like soda, the cherry cola flavored? That's what this smells like. I don't know if that's intentional or not because it's supposed to be candy, but this definitely smells like cherry soda. I'm gonna have cavities. Cherry soda. I wonder how much it lathers. I'll let you know. If you want to know more about the soap instead of the yarn, write it in the comments, I guess. Now for the fun. I kind of already opened a little bit of this just because I didn't want to wait. I had 2 that came yesterday. So I have one from Butterfly Fiber and Farm. This I found on Etsy. This one, which is from Yarn Love, which they also sent me a, was it a $15 or a buy one get one coupon? I don't remember. I have a coupon. I'll put it in the link. All right, let's get into it. I ordered 2 from here, these 2, and now let's see if they match at all. It says, thank you, Ryan. Welcome to Yarn Love. Well, Katie, let's find out if I feel that way. That was really mean. Normally editing Ryan's the mean one, but I guess it's me today. First up, we have Copper Canyon. I have the photo in front of me. It's like a really pretty deep blue, and then it fades into like this turquoisey looking color, into this brown and this, well, I wouldn't say brown. It's like an orangey, and then it gets to this like really light white and orange color. It's lovely. I want to know how it holds up to this. Do those look the same? I think this one pretty much does. I got 2 of these. Where's the other one? These are the 2. Makeup girlies, teach me your ways. So there's that one, and there's that one. This one definitely looks darker in the like browns and orange area. Obviously they're hand dyed, so they're going to be a little bit different. That is my hair attached to that. That's lovely. Going to be a little different each time, and it obviously depends on lighting and whatnot. But looking at this one, I feel like these actually look like the color. They look like what I ordered. I'm pleased there. They do have the label on them, so I'm going to take the label off and see if that transition is still there. It has like no of that turquoisey color in there, the in-between. It's just kind of like brown and slightly muddy It doesn't look as nice as it did in the photo. The colors aren't ugly by any means, which wasn't what I was hoping for. This one is Juliet Sock, so Copper Canyon, 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon, machine wash gentle, lay flat to dry, 4 ounces, approximately 420 yards, and then it has a needle size recommendation, which I appreciate because when I was first starting to work with fingering yarns, I had no fucking idea what hook I was supposed to use, and I would make things and they felt weird. But now I know. Now you do too. The next one is Witch's Brew, which is this. I'm very excited to see this one because this was the whole reason I bought from this company to begin with. Huh. This is what I got. This is what I ordered. They don't look the same. They're gorgeous. First, Witch's Brew sock set, alpaca sock yarn. So this one is 60% superwash merino, 20% baby alpaca, and 20% nylon. And then this, the little, is Goldilocks fingering. It's 80% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, 10% nylon. I'm not wrong, right? Looking at this, these colors on the actual photo look incredibly pigmented, like super pigmented compared to what this is. They're much darker, much rich, like royal, and are those jewel tones? Would you call them jewel? I don't know color theory, guys. I'm not good at that. This is much more, I don't want to say washed out, because like the colors look great. They're just much more light than I was expecting. They're more pastel-y than I was expecting. So I don't know if I love it. It looks like there's a filter on this photo, and that's a little disappointing. I was really excited for those colors, and that's not what we got. We'll see when this is caked and worked up if it is nicer. I know that this is supposed to be a sock set, and I don't make socks. I wear socks for work, and that's only because I have to wear shoes when I'm at work. Same reason I only wear pants when I'm at work. I don't want to wear them. I want to be comfortable and barefoot at all times. I'm a hippie. It's the Hippie Witch Heart. Hello, stay with me. But yeah, their logo is really nice. Their yarn it's lovely yarn. Well, Katie, you did a fabulous job dyeing it. You did a great job with the quality. I love that there's a little handwritten note on here. I appreciate that you sent me coupons. I'm not a big fan of this colorway, but we're going to see what happens because I bought all of these yarns with the intention to make different things. They all have a different project. This one is assigned a tarot deck, and I do think that this is going to be stunning when made into a tarot, whatchamacallit. Still going to look witchy. It's just not the deep, dark vibes that I was hoping for. I guess I really can't complain too much. I can't get over how freaking soft these are. Holy shit. This one, I yarn love. This one, I yarn like. Still got a little more time. This is the butterfly fiber. We're not going to undo all of it, but this one I bought. Oh wait, there was a card in here too. Let's go back. Katie sent me a Made with Love. I hope you love your new yarn. The skein was dyed by hand at the Yarn Love studio just outside Des Moines. Is that how you say that? Des Moines? Des Moines? Just outside I'm Illiterate, Iowa. Connect with me, and it has Instagram, Facebook. Obviously, I will link them at the bottom. And then on the back it has a care card. Anyway. Thank you, Katie. I bought a pack of 20, 40 mini skein. It was a mini skein mystery pack. I don't know. I just bought a mystery pack because I want to see what happens. My camera decided to stop working. I bought a few of these. I'm going to keep them down here so you can't see them. And we're going to go through and see what it says. They sent little gifty thingies in here. It says, turning plain into beautiful, hand-dyed fiber on. Their logo is really cute. Look at that. It's like a little, excuse me, focus. It's like a little butterfly made of 2 yarn skeins. That's adorable. Thank you for supporting my small hand-dyed business on Etsy. Every purchase is appreciated. Well, your yarn looks gorgeous, so we'll see. Then they sent me Bigelow Cranberry Harvest Herbal Caffeine-Free Tea. I do love tea. Supporting the brew crew. Thank you so much. Oh, it's a hand-dyed note. Thanks, Ryan. I hope these colors work for you. I love a good hand-dyed note. You got me completely into it. Oh, good. And the Instagram and everything's here, so I'll make sure to tag. Oh, it's the descriptions. Okay, so I got 20 minis. They are 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 46 yards each, 10 grams. They're like branded out. Good for them. These are really nice texture-wise. All right, so this is the first one. That's so fun. Oh my. So this is super exciting. Look at that. They're really like stretchy, very spongy, super fun color. I want to add that with the ones that I did yesterday, these neons. Holy crap, look at the comparison. That's obnoxious, and I love it. If you're watching this, Tony, if you see this, if you see me on the grams, can I get these individually? Have your dye lots written down? Because I would buy the everlasting shit out of this color to add to my obnoxious pile. Just letting you know. Then we can move on to this really... Why is my hair everywhere? This is so pretty too. This is like a soft periwinkle, yeah? And it's got like deep navy, some green, some dark purple, a little bit of yellow. I like teals, guys. I like teals, I like blues, I like seafoams. They're doing it for me. I'm gonna have a great time making a pattern. Oh, my brain. Squirrel. I'm gonna have a really good time taking a mini skein pattern and doing it all, because this was how many yards? Like 800 something yards? Math. So if you have a scrap pattern or like a mini skein pattern that you would love me to do with just random ass colors, I would love you to send it to me so I can try and make things. Otherwise, I'm gonna have one of the weirdest looking scarves that I'm very excited to make. This is like blues, yellows, greens. I really like this one too. Same question applies. Can I buy this in a full hank? Cause I would. Another purpley pinky one. These two feel super similar. It's just like brother and sister. Like, that's cute to me. A change of pace, I don't really go for oranges or reds. I mean, obviously that. But like, I don't go for these bright, like fiery colors. And this is a lot of fun. I mean, as I'm wearing red. You're a liar. How would you pair these, you know? What order would you put these in if you were going to work on a project? Like, that just in and of itself looks really cool together to crochet up. I'm definitely going to go back to butterfly. You do good work. That was a good haul for today. I would tell you what our yarn total is, but as we've decided, I'm not doing that because I don't care. Let's go back to flare. Ready? This one is raspberry, elderflower, and lime blossom. If you've ever had Red Robin, they have that like raspberry limeade. There's a little more florally to it, which I'm assuming is from the elderflower. Don't I have this one? I think I have this one. This is one of my absolute... Did I become an ASMR girly? Tell me in the comments. I will say the only thing I don't like the way it smells. It's how like Crystal Light smells. It has that weird like, is it a fruit or is it this? It has that going on. This flavor, tits. Yeah, big fan. I have to go get ready for work. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna have a great time editing this tonight. If you like what we do here, please make sure you like and subscribe. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of Vlogmas. And as of this current moment, we are at 298 subscribers, which is great because we've already gone up like 7 since I started doing it this year. Share with your friends, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of me unboxing the rest of these yarns and tasting another flavor. Bye!